बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज पर प्यारे बच्चों मोन्टेन फॉरेस्ट्स। मोन्टेन फॉरेस्ट्स वेजिटेशन हज ब्याख टाइप। वलो वुचो ये मोन्टेन वेजिटेशन कुछ वेजिटेशन गई। इन mountainous areas the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation. As such, there is a succession of natural vegetation belts in the same order as we see from the tropical to the tundra region. The wet, temperate type of forests are found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters. Between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters, evergreen broad leaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts predominate. Between 1500 and 3000 meters, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver fir, spruce and cedar are found. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas, places having high altitude in southern and northeast India. At higher elevations, temperate grasslands are common. At high altitude, generally more than 3600 meters, above the sea level, temperate forests and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. Silver fir, junipers, pines and birches are the common trees of these forests. However, they get progressively stunted as they approach the snow line. Ultimately, through shrubs and scrubs, they merge into the alpine grasslands. These are used extensively for grazing by nomadic tribes like the Gujaras and Bakarwals. At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. Animals. The common animals found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy heron, wild ibex, bear, and rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair.